sit alone where the shadows fall. No one's voice, no footsteps in the hall. The wind whispers secrets I can't hold, a hollow song that chills my soul. Every heartbeat echoes like a drum. Every thought feels silent, numb. I close my eyes and I can hear the quiet scream, the invisible tear. Listen, do you hear the sound of emptiness? It's in the spaces, in the quiet mess. A hollow river running through my chest. The sound of emptiness, I know it best. The walls are talking but they say no word. The echoes of nothing are the loudest I've heard. Time drifts by like a ghost in the rain, and I reach for something I can't regain. Every heartbeat echoes like a drum. Every thought feels silent, numb. I close my eyes and I can hear the quiet scream, the invisible tear. Listen, do you hear the sound of emptiness? It's in the spaces, in the quiet mess. A hollow river running through my chest. The sound of emptiness, I know it best. No words can fill it, no hands can touch this void inside. It hurts too much. I breathe the silence, I swim in the night. The emptiness sings in the fading light. Listen, do you hear the sound of emptiness? It's in the spaces, in the quiet mess.